Hi guys, sorry about that. The Geek 41 here, and we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Walking Dead Series 3 Merle action figure. This figure has been out for a long time, so I'm just going to open it. I'm going to have two videos of him, unboxing and a opening, so I'm going to open it up for you. First, we're going to look at the back. There's the two pet walkers, Michonne, Autopsy Zombie, and Merle. I got this figure off online on Amazon, so I didn't see the other figures at stores. I saw them one time, but that's it. Right. I don't like opening him. That was easy. Open him up. Has a new plastic smell, which everybody dearly loves. And my camera falls. Back in there. That's Merle. Looks really good. Just got back from school, and yeah, just got back from school, so, and I saw this guy when I was walking home, and I was like, so badly want to get him now. There he is. That's Merle. Cool. Looks awesome. All of his guns are taped. Tired of your trusty tie. No one likes you. I want to break him because the McFarlane figures are really fragile. Believe it or not, this is the I don't buy McFarlane figures really. So, there's the box. Twist it up and throw it. Oh, okay. There's his M16, or whatever it's called. Cool. There's the Merle figure. So yeah, stay tuned for a review of him. And yeah, see you guys later. Peace.